This is Ground Media UG.
Your worship inquires in this case, we are praying for the Shattered Gate Church.
When you think we won't be the investigations?
If we worship in the next 14 days, inquiries will be complete.
We can take the 11th of April. But worship before God and yeah. Worship we wish to address God on the person informs us
Just a minute.
and worship the accused person says practice of his blind son was from prisons.
Just a minute. The accused does not know.
The accused person informs us, Your Worship, that after he was sent on remand, he was taken to this hospital, subjected to treatment, which he did not understand.
Treatment?
Yes. And it also included extracting his blood. I worship you kindly pray that such actions at least should be done before the accused is cancelled.
Some say that it was his own checker, but I wasn't feeling sick. I don't have anything. As a friend like that, the probable sick, please when somebody comes in. So it was a routine medical checkup like this. Customer service outside.
Your Worship,
Full investigations that you shall be kept on remand until that time.
Case number 1245 of 2023, that person not as the ratio and two others.